Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time seeing me, just welcome to my channel. My name is UniqueSade and I'm going to show you how I tinted my eyebrows at home using the Maybelline Tattoo Brow. So if you're interested in seeing how I do that and seeing the process, just stay tuned.
Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. See what's about to happen. See what's about to
Hey y'all, so you'll see me pulling it out of my Amazon packaging. It is the Maybelline Tattoo Brow. It is in the color medium brown. On Amazon it is $9. Now it does depend on which color you do get. Again, this is the medium brown. I will have it linked in the description box below. Here you see me just brushing my eyebrows in the direction that I want them to be in so that they're ready for the product. And now I'm just pulling it out so that you can see the consistency of the tattoo brow. There's a nice consistency there. Now I'm going to start with the right eye, and I'm just going to apply the product in the direction of my eyebrows. Now I did put a little bit too much at the beginning of my eyebrow, and I'm gonna take it off shortly. You'll see me use a Q-tip to take it off. And yeah, so it's pretty self-explanatory. You just put it on there and you're gonna want to coat your entire eyebrow, just shape it up. And now you're gonna see me take a Q-tip and just take some off the beginning of the eyebrow because I don't want it to be dark. I want it to have the fade in look, so that it doesn't look, you know, like it's drawn on or something. But I started tinting my eyebrows because I'm actually in the process of growing them out. They were spacey and they don't exactly match. They're like in the same family, but they're not like twins, but they are, I'm in the process of growing them out. So I just go and get them waxed at the nail salon currently, and just tell them to clean them up so that I can tint them at home. So yeah, you'll just see me filling in this eyebrow and just making sure that I get all the way through. I know it looks messy, but please just trust the process. This is one of those cases where you have to trust the process because you're not going to see it from the beginning. You're not going to see it towards the middle. You're going to have to wait to the end just to see what, you know, what you're creating. So now I'm just taking the Q-tip that I have available and wiping off any of the excess and actually shaping my eyebrows in this step. With the Maybelline Tattoo Brow, you're gonna just want to coat on there. I usually make a little bit of a mess, as you can see, but then I use the Q-tips to go ahead and clean it up. That's the key to this process, is to go ahead and make sure you clean them up and shape it how you want to shape it. And now I'm just checking out the mirror and the camera, just to make sure that it's how I want it. This is actually my good eyebrow. If you know, you know about having a good eyebrow. So yeah, now I am going to work on the left eye. I'm going to speed it up because it's repetitive. And yes, I always have a moment where I do a little dot at the top of one of the eyebrows. Okay, so now that both of the eyebrows are drawn on, I'm just checking them out to make sure I like the shape of each eyebrow. And yeah, now we just play the waiting game.
One eternity later.
Okay, so I allowed my eyebrows to stay on a little bit longer. I went to go take a shower, get dressed, do my hair. Usually I give it about 20 minutes and that's good enough to get a tint on there. But now I'm going to begin the pulling off process. And here I'm just taking my nails to pull up a little bit of the front of it. Also, don't mind my eyelashes. I'm going to do them over once I do my makeup. And if you want a tutorial on how I do my lashes, please see my previous video. It will be linked in the description box or in the comments of this video. But yeah, I'm just pulling off the eyebrows, and as you can see, they usually come off in one singular motion. You'll see on the right eyebrow, this one I actually just ripped off and it came off in two different pieces. But yeah, you'll see in this one I am pulling off the front of it and just pulling it right off. And you'll actually see how the tattoo brow comes off when you pull it off in one swift motion. Here it is. That was what was on my eyebrow to tint it. And yeah, now you see my eyebrows. They do have a tint to them. They have more of a shape to them. And I just love this method. The Maybelline Tattoo Brow will be linked in the description box below. New hair, who's this? So I did complete my makeup look just so that you can get the full effect of the eyebrows, and this is what they are looking like. Yeah, it's just an easy way for you to tint your eyebrows at home, and you can do it multiple times. It's a cheaper route, more affordable route, easier route. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.